What is a site? In Asset Tracking Manager, a site is really the largest segment, physically speaking, of your organization. An example of a site might be an office building or a warehouse, the school, anything that contains subset locations within that master or larger entity. So office rooms, classrooms, things of those natures might be part of an office building or a school. Right now we're going to look at the Master Data tab within Asset Tracking Manager. And I've navigated to it here. You'll see this button highlighted above. Make sure that you have privileges to see this. If you don't see it on your screen, contact your administrator. But let's go through all the options here for the master data and what they are. You'll see there's a number of options. We've got site lists, locations, asset types, departments, employees, customers, manufacturers, vendors, contracts, depreciation classes, import wizard, and change password. And the real reason for the master data area is this is where you do all your prep work before you even add an asset to Asset Tracking Manager. And each one of these will be described in later videos. But the important thing I want to sort of make here is that the more time you put into each of these master data areas, the more thorough you are in looking at all of your sites, locations, employees, customers, manufacturers and vendors of assets that you have within your company, the more work you do ahead of time, the easier it's going to be to add assets going forward. So really spend some time. Also view our video on best practices for setting up assets in Asset Tracking Manager.